We're going to open the window to our first morning in Tuscany now. And it might take a while because this window's very complicated. So. Alright, we unlock these and open it. Oh, I see light. I see light.
Step 1, and
Here we go.
ready, set, go.
Oh. Wow. It's pretty. Oh.
Who's up there?
Hi, Fred. Oh my God.
You guys had a shower yet?
Yes. Last night.
Oh, you having last night? Was it terrible?
No, it's okay.
You got a lot of, you got pressure? A lot of pressure?
Kind of. Good morning.